Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping your iPhone from automatically airplaying to nearby TVs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, select General. In General, tap AirPlay and Handoff. Now select Automatically Airplay to TVs and then change it to the desired option, Never or Ask First. Your iPhone will now stop automatically connecting to frequently used AirPlay TVs when playing media. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.